In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the fade in and fade out effect in CapCut for PC. If your clips are fading in or out when you don't want them to, or the transition looks too sudden or too long, this walkthrough will help you understand exactly what's going on and how to control it. Make sure you already have CapCut installed on your computer and that your project with the problem clip is open. First, look at your main timeline at the bottom of the screen. Click on the video clip that seems to be fading in or out incorrectly. When you select it, you should see it highlighted, and the playhead, or the vertical line that shows your current position, will usually move to that clip. This tells CapCut that you want to edit this specific piece of media. Now, with the clip selected, go to the right-hand side of your screen. This is where CapCut shows detailed settings and properties for whatever you've clicked on. You should see options related to basic editing, like speed, volume, and sometimes animation or transitions. If you don't see these, make sure the clip is still selected. A quick extra click on the clip in the timeline usually brings these controls back. Look for any fade-related settings. Depending on your version of CapCut, these may appear as a fade-in slider, fade-out slider, or they might be inside an animation or transition menu. If your clip is fading in when you don't want it to, set the fade-in value to 0 or turn it off. Do the same for fade-out if the clip is disappearing too slowly at the end. You can also gently drag the slider to make the fade shorter or longer until it feels smooth and natural. After adjusting these settings, move your playhead a few seconds before the start of the clip and press play to preview the change. Watch closely at the beginning and the end of the clip. If the fade is still not right, pause. Tweak the value a little more, then preview again. Small adjustments usually make a big difference. Once you're happy with the result, you're done. Your clip should now play with the fade in and fade out, behaving exactly the way you want inside CapCut on your PC.